Hello students, so today we will discuss about the measurement of rate of transpiration by another method, which is by Guénan's photometer. All of you know that photometer, this is a kind of device by which we can measure the rate of transpiration, and this kinds of photometer mainly designed by the particular scientist. This is Guénan scientist. So this photometer mainly named as a Guénan's photometer. So by the help of or with the help of Guénan's photometer we can and measure the rate of transpiration here. So first of all we have to study about the Guénan's photometer. The Guénan's photometer consists of following parts. First one is the wide mouth test tube structures, which is consist of water sample, and in this one the particular healthy plant twig that can be inserted, and their roots or their plant twig that can be inserted in the water level also. Next one is certain kinds of open mouthed test tube like structures will be present on this region. This is uh, completely filled with the water, so this is act like a water reservoir. Okay, if there is deficit of water that can be occurs, then it can provides the proper amount of water from this way. And next one is, this is the base of the Guénan's photometer. On this, by this base the Guénan's photometer stabilize itself properly. Next, this is the horizontal tube like structures, and this horizontal tube like structures that can be represented certain parameter over this tube, and this tube generally known as graduated tube. Okay, and after that the extension of graduated tube that can be dipped inside the colored solution. So this is the proper structure or proper part of the particular Guénan's photometer. Next one is we have to determine the rate of transpiration by this Guénan's photometer. So first of all we can fill the water to these kinds of test tube also, and this one also, and this graduated tube also, and this beaker that can consist of colored water. So first of all we have to generate the water bubble, okay, inside the graduated tube. So we have to lift up this kinds of ends of Guénan's photometer, then the air that can be enters inside this one, and after that we again dip this kinds of end of photometer into the colored liquid. By this way the water bubbles that can be get generated, and after the generation of water bubbles we place this whole experimental design in presence of sunlight, and due to the presence of sunlight what is going on, the transpiration process is going on, and due to the transpiration process the uptake and absorption of water that can be occurs by this plant twig, and due to the uptake of water the water level that can be moves towards this direction. And next one is due to the movement of water water molecules, the movement of water bubbles can be also occurs towards this direction. So if the water bubbles moves fastly, then we can say that the transpiration that can be occurs fastly. If the water bubbles moves slowly, then we can say that the transpiration rate is very low. So after some times during the interval of time we can record several observation at the 30 minutes, then after the 30 minutes the air bubbles that can be present here, and then after 30 minutes we can again record the observation and the air bubbles will be present here. So we can say that if the air bubbles that can be moved towards this direction, so it represent the transpiration is going on. If the air bubbles move fastly, then we can conclude that the transpiration rate is very high. If the air bubbles that can move slowly towards this direction, then we can say that the rate of transpiration is very slow. So first of all we have to generate the air bubbles that is most important. So air bubbles, this is indicates the proper parameter of the graduated tube, and if this air bubbles moves from this direction to this direction and this can be stabilized at this point of graduated tube, then what kinds of volume that can be uptake by the plant, this is first, second and third, means 3 volume of water, 3 unit of volume of water that can be uptake by the plant. So this is whole about the measurement of transpiration by Guénan's photometer we have discussed here completely about this one. So thank you.